Iwense kurasi kiama ya Jubilee Omoske Fred Okengo Matiang'i NIGO tukusakuleire liberera lya kisiasa elyo ligenderete kwenekebwa imeyense ya Kenya asamo chiri byumbe byoborendi asogwanchera obusagani n'obusaria kwenekebwa asemesangerekano ya kisiasa asekani ekisemo kya Kangundoro osabire abarayi ibekisa kurandi omorembe obomo gusabira abarayi gutwara obukemanya abantu gusobomanya abantu ase ogweta ABASARIA Ense.
The privilege of serving as the Minister for Security in Kenya for 5 years. And I understand the security sector in this country like the back of my hand. I can tell from what we are seeing that we are actually losing the country to anarchy and we are sliding to chaos. I mean, people may not admit this and so on, but I want to discharge that responsibility by saying this openly and sincerely to you. We are losing the country. We are sliding to chaos as a country. Crime has been industrialized in our country to an extent that there are structures. Who is the commander? Who is the leader? And so on and so forth. Supervised by leaders. Because the incident that you cannot tell me, because it's a few kilometers from Kisii town, that the county security team did not know, the county commissioner, the county commander, and the entire security team. Now, I have seen this morning, the police are acting. We will respect them because that is what they are supposed to do. But what do we tell the families that have lost 2 children senselessly in that kind of manner? Those thugs were welding batons, brand new batons, bought for them by a local politician. And surely, if the government has got resources to know, to read your WhatsApp and know that you are criticizing them and abduct you, where are those resources when someone is buying batons and pangas to go and kill wananchi? I just want to ask all religious leaders, both those who are here and those who are not here in the country, find the best you can to mobilize us and call us back to humanity. Because these killings you are seeing happening here, these abductions and so on, is like actually as a country, we have now entertained a cult that offers human life as sacrifices. I mean, people may not admit this and so on, but I want to discharge that responsibility by saying this openly and sincerely to you. We are losing the country. We are sliding to chaos as a country. And our leaders, when we say these things, we say them completely sincerely. Because we have a stake, all of us, whether you're in government or in the opposition, we have a stake in the country.